Ever wondered if that Solana payment through Phantom Wallet actually went through and how to double check all the deets? First, open your Phantom Wallet. You'll find the most recent transactions right on the wallet's main view. Scroll down to see your transaction history. Tap on the transaction you want to verify. This will bring up a detailed view of that specific transaction. Take a look at the recipient's address, the SOL amount transferred, and the date and time. For even more info, tap the View on Explorer button. This will take you to a Solana block explorer like Solscan or Explorer.com. Here, you can see the transaction status. Confirmed means successful. You'll also find advanced details like the transaction fee, the exact block it was included in, and all involved addresses. If the status is anything other than confirmed, it means the transaction is still pending or has potentially failed. You can check back periodically for an update. And there you have it, a simple way to ensure your Solana transactions through Phantom Wallet are verified, giving you that transparency and control you deserve. Happy cryptoing!